Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a question that nearly gets everyone wrong. And I'll admit I got this question wrong myself, but this is pretty much how you solve it, okay? So a bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total, okay? The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost, okay? So in this case here, we can just say, alright, the bat cost $1 more. Therefore we can say, alright, that means pretty much the bat and the ball gives you $1.10. So one of them is 10 cents and the other is $1 because it's $1 more. Okay. So here, this is pretty much what a lot of people assume in this question. And this is what I assumed as well. Okay. However, this is not true. Okay. Because look at the wording here. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. If that is the price of the ball and that is the price of the bat, while they do add together to give $1.10, the difference between $1 and 10 cents is 90 cents. So it's not actually $1 more, because that doesn't work then. They add up to it, but it doesn't make the yellow bit true. Okay. So this is exactly how you actually answer this question here. Okay. Now if you had this, then you're wrong. And that's the reason why pretty much you're wrong, because you're not listening to the actual question there in the yellow. So how you answer this question is, alright, what we've got to assume is pretty much, alright, a bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total, right? So what that means is, we're going to call X the price of the ball, okay? Now X could be anything. That means the price of the ball, now in this case here, that's the price of the ball, plus, now the bat itself has to cost $1 more than it. So it's X plus 1, which gives you $1.10. So what this means is we can solve this equation here. So we get 2x plus $1 is equal to $1.10. Move the dollar to the other side. 2x gives you 10 cents. Divide both sides by 2. So x is going to be 10 cents divided by 2, which is going to be 5 cents. That is the price of the ball. Not many people get that right, okay? Hopefully you can see why that's correct. Now, you're probably wondering, oh, this doesn't make any sense. The reason why this question is so tricky half the time is a lot of people assume the ball is that, and they assume the bat is that, because they see that in total, the dollar, etc., but they don't actually read the question properly. Okay. Anyway, that's my little rant on this question. So this is pretty much how you solve this one here. If you have any questions, all in the comments. If you want to try and prove me wrong, put something in the comments. By the way, share this with your friends. Not many people get this question right. You'd be surprised. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.